My goodness, what are you doing? Are you eating Cheerios? Where are you going, Pumpkin? Elysia, where are you going? Come here. Elysia, come here. Leave those puppies alone and come here. Elysia, come here. Come over here. I would like to see more than the back of your head, child. Come here. Elysia.